Many service providers are launching digital as a service offerings, enabled by new software-defined networking capabilities. These offerings, such as SD-WAN, require agile on-demand connectivity with assured service quality orchestrated across different domains. The benefits include faster provisioning, greater automation, and accelerated service activation. But ordering and provisioning underlying connectivity is a maze that remains a highly manual, intensive, swivel chair type of process. Neustar's Broadband Order Orchestration Manager helps oversee the many complex service orders placed between carriers, multiple system operators, and cloud services providers, speeding up the ordering and provisioning of access services, reducing errors, and accelerating quote-to-cash. Neustar provides a universal clearinghouse that delivers a full set of LSO service fulfillment capabilities, facilitates commercial transactions between partners, and eliminates the need for custom interfaces to each individual trading partner. Instantly expand your wholesale service offerings and simplify the entire buy and sell process. Our universal interface provides visibility for buyers and sellers of broadband services, ensuring on-demand access to accurate information. With Neustar Broadband Order Orchestration Manager, service providers have the tools they need to deliver more services to more customers faster than ever before. For more information on Neustar's order orchestration solutions, please visit us at ordermanagement.neustar today.